In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage snippets in HubSpot so you can save time, stay consistent, and streamline your sales and customer communication. Snippets are one of the most powerful productivity tools inside HubSpot, especially if you find yourself typing the same responses over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create snippets, edit them, organize them, clone them, and delete them when needed. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot training and software walkthroughs. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new snippet. Log into your HubSpot account and from the top navigation menu, go to CRM, then click on Snippets. This will take you to the Snippets dashboard, where all your existing snippets are stored. In the upper right corner, click on Create Snippet. A panel will open where you can start building your snippet. In the internal name field, enter a clear and descriptive name for your snippet. This name is for internal use, so choose something that makes it easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create many snippets. Next, move to the Snippet Text Rich Text Editor. This is where you'll type the actual content that will be inserted into emails, records, live chat conversations, or logged activities. Enter the body of your snippet here. You can write a standard reply, a follow-up message, meeting instructions, or any frequently used response. At the bottom of the editing window, you'll see formatting options. Use these tools to bold text, italicize important points, create bullet lists, or structure your message clearly. If you need additional formatting options, like adjusting font style, changing font size, or editing text alignment, click the More drop-down menu to access those advanced settings. If you want to add a hyperlink, highlight the text you'd like to link and click the link icon. Then paste your URL and confirm. This is useful for directing contacts to booking pages, help articles, or product information. You can also personalize your snippet using personalization tokens. Click the Personalize drop-down menu to insert tokens like the contact's first name, company name, or other CRM properties. This allows your saved snippet to feel custom and tailored, even though it's pre-written. After writing your snippet content, go to the Shortcut field. Here, enter a short and memorable shortcut name. This shortcut is what you'll type when inserting the snippet into an email, record, template, or chat conversation. Make it simple and easy to remember so you can quickly trigger it while working. Once everything looks good, click Save Snippet. Your snippet is now ready to use across HubSpot. Now let's talk about managing your snippets. Go back to CRM and click on Snippets to access the dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all created snippets. If you have many, use the search bar in the top left to quickly find a snippet by name. To edit an existing snippet, simply click on the snippet's name. A dialog box will open where you can update the internal name, snippet text, formatting, personalization tokens, or shortcut. After making your changes, click Save Snippet to apply the updates. If you want to duplicate a snippet instead of editing the original, hover over the snippet and click the Actions drop-down menu, then select Clone. In the cloning window, enter a new name for the copied snippet. Choose a folder by clicking the Save Snippet to a Folder drop-down and selecting the appropriate folder to keep your snippets organized. Then enter a new shortcut in the Shortcut field. When you're finished, click Save. If you need to reorganize your snippets, hover over the snippet, click the Actions drop-down, and choose Move. In the dialog box, select the folder where you'd like the snippet to be stored, then click Move to confirm. This helps keep your dashboard clean and structured, especially for teams. Finally, if you no longer need a snippet, hover over it, click the Actions drop-down, and select Delete. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes, Delete Snippet to permanently remove it. Keep in mind that users need the required seat and sales access permissions in HubSpot to edit or delete snippets. And that's it. You now know how to create, edit, clone, move, and delete snippets inside HubSpot. Using snippets effectively can dramatically reduce repetitive typing, improve response consistency, and help your team work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.